How you doing today? Welcome to Most Math. Today we're going to do a little Bluebeam review here. That's our software. We're going to draw this full-size 10-inch Y to scale to fabricate. When you're all done, you'll have two branches and you'll have a main run. So we need to come up with the numbers for that. So to draw this to scale, I'm going to recommend you go to File, New PDF. We're going to go 11 by 17. And we're going to go landscape, press OK, and in our tools for our scale, I'm going to recommend you go 6-inch by 1 foot, and for precision, this is important, go to the 16th of an inch. And you can see here in our document, that's our scale. So take your first sheet here, okay? Now to blow something up closer on your mouse, that'll blow things up. First thing we're going to do is draw a circle. And when you do a full-size Y like this, we draw it to the OD. So on your sheet, go to Tools, go to Sketch to Scale, Measure, and go down to Center Radius. And we're going to need a 10 3/4 inch circle. So bring your cursor down and go 5 3/8. 5 3/8 for the radius. Click off of that. Now we're going to blow this up, and we're going to click on that, and we're going to hit not the top dot, but the bottom dot, and we're going to bring that around and make a half circle. Blow this up, tweak this a little bit, bring that to the bottom. So now we have a perfect half circle. Now the half circle, we got to divide up into 8 pieces. So we're going to take a line. We're going to look for the center, bring that along. When you hit the center, it's going to turn blue. Left click on that and bring that up about yay high. Let's go get another line. Go over here, hit click the outside diameter, bring that up straight. Boom. Do the other outside. Bring that up. It recognizes they're all the same height. Boom. Now hit the center. That turned blue, and it's going to recognize a 45. Boom, turned blue. Hit the center, center snap. That's an arrow, we don't want that. That was a mistake, so we go to Edit. We go to Undo. We start fresh. Hit the line. Center snap turns blue. Put it on the arc. Bring it up till it hits blue. That's 45. Right click off of that. Now go over here. We're going to take these lines. We're going to bring them up till they're the same height. Blue. Bring it up till we're the same height. And before we go any further, we're going to make this line, we're going to make that line green. Going to make that line green. And we'll make this line blue. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to group this. Go to arrow, select all of that, right click on some object in there, and go to group. Now we have, that's one object now. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy that object. We're going to shrink this. We're going to paste one over there. Now we're going to paste the next one here. Okay, bring that a little closer. Bring this one a little closer. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take this and we're going to go over here to this tool here, properties, and you're going to see rotation. With that activated, we're going to bring this around. Now each one of these has to be 45 degrees off that blue line of the main run. So with that being 90 horizontal, 90 plus 45, we need 135 degrees. 135. This one here, we're going to bring that around. We'll bring it the other way. Bring it around. You got complete control of this. Bring it around. That has to be 45 degrees off horizontal. So 270. So minus 45 off of that. 225. 225. Now we're going to blow this up. We're going to take this. We're going to hit the main run. We're going to bring this over. We're going to hit the main run. Blow that out. So there you go. All we've really used so far is the circle key and the line key. One of the key things that we haven't mentioned is that we need to have this snap to markup, and that is put there by going to toolbar, properties toolbar, navigation toolbar, status bar. That's your status bar. So put that back, hit status bar. That's how you get that there. I want my navigation bar and I want my properties toolbar. Okay, so let's blow this up now. What we're going to do is we're going to ungroup these. Left click on that, right click on it, ungroup, left click on that object, left click, right click on it, ungroup, left click on that, right click on it, ungroup. And the reason we did that is now we're going to take these lines, we're going to bring them back like such. Bring this line back like such. Bring this back like such. Bring that back like such. Over here to the other side, to the outside. Bring it down. Bring it. There you go. Outside, outside. Bring that down. Bring this to hits that. Boom. Now what we're going to do, we're going to get a line. We're going to hit that, recognizes the center snap, hit that. Boom, hits the center snap. Let's make that black. And we're actually going to make it dashed. We'll go to dash 4. That's your cut line. Go over here. It recognizes the center snap. Come over here, center snap. Boom. Make that black. Let's go dash 4. Okay. Go over here. Get this line. This is going to represent your wraparound line. Hit that point there. That's your center snap. That comes straight across. That represents your wraparound line. Let's make that black. Okay. Now what we could do is we could dimension these. Go to Tools. Go to Measure. Go to Length. Okay. Now we're going to get the dimensions of these ordnance here. We'll blow this up a little bit. Boom. Bring that up. 2 1/4. That's biblical. Go over here. Boom. Boom. Biblical. Go over here. Tools. Measure. Five 5/8 of an inch. Biblical. So you've actually come up with the ordnance for the main run. This ordinate here is going to be 0. That's going to be ordinate 1 is 0, 2 is 5/8, 3 is 2 1/4, ordinate 2 is 5/8, ordinate 1 is going to be 0. Okay, now we're going to go up here. This looks a little confusing. We're going to draw this line. We're going to make that black. We're going to make that dash 4. Okay, and we're going to bring these lines back. Blow this up a little bit. Hit that line. Bring it back till it hits that intersection. Bring this back till it hits that intersection. Okay. Take this line. Bring it back. That's the outside. Bring this back. That's, oops, goofed up. So I go to Edit. Go to Undo. I want to hit the red line here. Bring that till it's the outside. Okay. Let's blow out of this. Okay. That dotted line is your weld. Okay, so we need a wraparound line. So to do that, we're going to draw a line 10 3/4. I know that line's perpendicular. We're going to make that black. We're going to make that dashed. Okay. We're going to move that line till it hits the crotch. That's going to represent your wraparound line. I should have made that solid. I apologize. Make that solid. Go over here, do the same thing. 10 3/4 on the line. We know that's perpendicular to our center line. Bring that line down. Boom. Okay, so those two black lines we drew represent your wraparound line. Now we're going to measure these ordnance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go to your toolbar. Go to Measure, Length. Best maybe blow this up. Boom. It recognizes the center. 3 1/8. 3 3 13/16, 5 3/8, 1 9/16. Well, we might as well measure the other side, make sure they match. Blow this up. Three and an eighth. Three and 13/16. 5 3/8. 1 9/16. And we'll shrink this out. So really, that's all your ordnance right there. That's all your ordnance. You got your main run. You got your 2 branches. You're all set. You're golden. You can go and you could tweak and number it accordingly. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 2 1. This would be 1 2 3 4. 5 would be 0. And when you're all done, put that on the pipe. Let's cut that. Put that on there. And put it all together. So I hope you like this. There'll be more of this to come. Talk to you soon. Thanks for watching.